Basecamp Enterprise Marketing Hub App. The pros, the cons. Basecamp Enterprise Marketing Hub App promises to unify sales, marketing and customer engagement into one platform, but is it the right choice for your enterprise? On the plus side, Basecamp provides a central hub for managing leads, tracking campaigns and analyzing customer interactions. Marketing teams can segment audiences, automate emails, and monitor campaign performance in real time. Its integration capabilities with popular tools like email clients, social media platforms, and other CRMs make it easier to maintain a streamlined workflow. Enterprises often see faster lead qualification, improved collaboration between sales and marketing teams, and more actionable insights from consolidated data. However, there are some limitations. Basecamp's extensive features and feel overwhelming initially, and onboarding requires dedicated training. Automation is powerful, but still needs human oversight to maintain brand consistency and ensure messaging resonates with your audience. Additionally, enterprise-level plans can be pricey, especially for organizations with large teams or high-volume campaigns. Most people get this wrong. They assume a CRM alone can drive marketing results. The surprising truth is that even the most advanced platform can underperform without strategic planning, creative input, and regular optimization. Automation amplifies your strategy, it doesn't replace it. In conclusion, Basecamp Enterprise Marketing Hub App is a robust solution for enterprises looking to integrate marketing and sales efforts under one roof. Its analytics, automation, and workflow management tools can improve efficiency and lead conversion, but success depends on thoughtful implementation, proper training, and a strong marketing strategy. When used strategically, Basecamp can strengthen customer relationships, streamline operations, and drive measurable growth for your enterprise.